squishies. So you know guys, I like squishies. I just may not experience having squishies. It was squishy, just being pointed so squishy. I want to buy at Olex. It costs only 180 pesos. Unexpected. I hope I buy this. Maybe I should be requesting for myself. And but we have a squishy ball here. It's so soft and it's called a red yellow. It's made in China. We have a we have a smiley face here, and it should very soft. It helps you that you can be squish and it is able in this thing. So this is very good and I like this. So well guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share your Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and your other social guys. Of course guys, don't forget to subscribe to this Eat channel. See you sa next video. Bye guys!
Sabi po ng teacher ko, magsulat daw po na